gonna be perfect. Still worms on there, I can see them. Back in the other way. Oh. Fish on. Fish on. Oh! Not sure what the name of this one is, but we did it. All right, there we go. See him swim away.
Let me teach you how to cast with a little rod. Alright guys, here we go. 2 bait tests. We got knife crawlers versus avocados. We came back after exploring to figure out what we can use here. My dad thinks that we're just going to get wet. He doesn't think we're going to have any luck today, but me and Johan think differently. We're going to give it a shot.
Hey Steve, if you don't, we buy.
If we don't, good idea. If we don't, we will go home and buy. Look, I already got a tangle.